I've just purchased this soundtrack module from Train Tech, and that enables you to record up to 4 sounds. Each sound can be up to 35 seconds long, and then you can connect them to switches or to the DCC, to a sensor or whatever, and that will trigger the sounds to play. So 4 sounds, 35 seconds long, and it plays them back. You can regulate the volume. So what I'm going to do is go on the internet, record some sounds, and then connect it up and let you hear the sounds. What I've decided is I need some sounds of the station, train station. I've got obviously the trains each have their own sounds and station announcements, but not the generic station announcements like security warnings and, you know, fast train approaching, stand back from the platform edge, that sort of stuff. So they're the sounds I'm going to record and try and get off the internet, and then I'm going to add them so that I can play each individual train will play its own, you know, where it's going to and where it's stopping at, because they all have station announcements as part of the DCC sound that comes with the trains. But this will enhance the sounds by having the station announcements on top of that with security and other warnings. So let me get some sounds off the internet, record them, hook it up, and then I'll show you what the end result is. Okay, one moment. Right, so I've decided to trigger the sounds via push button switches rather than linking them to the track and using DCC, etc. So here we go. There are 4 messages, 35 seconds long. The first one is a general security message. So here we go. So that's the first one. Second one is for platform 1. Imagining that there is not a train on the platform and a fast train is approaching. So let's hear this one. So that's platform 1, and then the next one is platform 2, stand clear. However, before that there's a left luggage announcement, and the left luggage is down here on the platform. So here we go. Not sure how well that came out, but anyway. And then the final one is for train arrivals. So if we imagine that the train has just arrived. Okay, and that's the third message. Right, so that's the messages. Next will be to add some digital signs from Train Tech, and I'll be showing them in my next video, hopefully. So thanks for watching for now, and until next time, please share, like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.